Monday morning arrives. The alarm clock rings loudly and showtime's 6:30, and our stickman throws a pillow at it. His coffee spills, his toast burns, and a message pops up. Quick meeting in 5 minutes. He sighs, wondering if there is a better way to make a living than this. On his lunch break, he scrolls through social media filled with promises of easy riches. Videos claim, "Quit your job today. Become your own boss." He feels a sudden spark. He imagines himself relaxing on a beach while money rains down from the sky. The next morning, he proudly quits his job, expecting dramatic music and a grand exit. Instead, his boss simply says, "Okay, good luck." Even the office plant seems more emotional. Feeling unstoppable, he rents a fancy office, buying the newest laptop and a luxury chair. Apparently, successful businesses cannot start without an expensive chair. There is one tiny problem. He still does not know what business he is actually starting. A few months later, the office looks amazing, but the chair has not found one customer. Bills keep arriving for rent, software, and equipment. He drinks lots of coffee. He refreshes his website every 5 minutes. One visitor appears. It was him, again. Everything freezes. The narrator says, "Maybe do not copy everything you see on social media." The story rewinds. This time, our stickman keeps his job and stays patient. The meetings are still boring, but he spends his evenings learning new, valuable skills. He studies marketing, sales, and building websites. He makes mistakes, then learns from them. One day, his first customer appears. He earns $25 and celebrates like a winner. The next week, another customer arrives, then another. The business slowly begins to grow. His salary pays his bills, while his business pays for its own steady growth. It is much less exciting than the dream, but it is also much less terrifying. Months later, his business earns more than his salary. He walks into his boss's office. This time he is calm, confident, and prepared. "I think it is time," he says. His boss smiles and nods. Even Karen from accounting gives him a supportive thumbs up. That is how you know you have truly made it in the professional world. Quitting your job does not make you an entrepreneur. Building something valuable does. The smartest entrepreneurs do not jump first and hope for the best. They build a bridge, then cross it. Before you resign, ask yourself one question. Is my business already paying me, or am I just paying for my business? Financial freedom is not about escaping your job. It is about creating independent income. If someone online says becoming a millionaire is easy, be very careful. The only thing making them rich is convincing other people that it is easy. Success takes time, effort, and a solid plan rather than a sudden leap. Build your foundation while you have the security of your current position. Be patient, stay focused, and build your bridge to a better future.